fit in the beginning of Tai Chi. So this is what we call Wood Chi. Alright? I would advise you stand in one side of the square. Okay? So let's make the square as our shoulder width. Okay? That's our shoulder width. So when we open our feet, we open like that. Alright? Okay. Okay, let's practice how to breathe first. Alright? The right breathing. Okay? So inhale, not forcefully but softly through the diaphragm. Then press your diaphragm out, exhale. Alright? So when we breathe from the diaphragm, yes, inhale through the nose, out to the mouth. Okay? So when we inhale, shoulders shouldn't be moving. Shouldn't be. Okay? That will create strain in our rib cage. And it could strain our lungs too. Okay? Just inhale. Alright. You can try and feel your stomach if it's opening and closing. That's the proper way of breathing. Okay. Alright, so in the beginning, so sink. Okay. Transfer your weight to the right. And okay. Now we just did Tai Chi. We separated both feet. Now put all your weight in the center. Okay? And then sink and tuck in your tailbone. Do you guys know your tailbone? Right. Okay. So you tuck your in. Right. It's like sitting on a high chair. Okay? Right. Now open your armpit like that. This allows flow of energy throughout our body. Alright? So in the morning you can stand like this. It's called Qi Gong. Alright? And then you breathe, you do the proper breathing. Okay, lift your arms like you're folding a blanket. Okay. Going down, you sink your body. Alright. Alright. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. Open your armpit. Lift. And sink. Alright. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so we will have motion later, word off. So when you put your hand like that, there shouldn't be wrinkling. Your hand shouldn't be wrinkled like that. It should be like this. Okay? Right. It's called beautiful lady's hand. So in all our movement, our hand should be like that. Okay? Like that. Right. Okay. Now let's do crane's beak. Right. Right. Okay. Let's do it. Lift your arms. Okay. Reach out for the ball. Okay. It should be right. Okay. Now we step outwards and ward off. Okay? When you ward off, left hand, and then the right hand just follows. Just like, okay, can you, right, like that, and okay, that's workout. Okay, now observe the steppings, because our footwork is very important for our Tai Chi to properly function. Okay? The movements coming from the waist, then follows the feet, and then our hand follows. Alright? So I'll show you. So the beginning, separate, sink, open your armpit, lift your arms, sink, hold the ball to the right, step outwards, ward off. Okay, so the right foot should follow, pointing there. Right? Okay, now transfer the weight to the right. Then hold the ball, step forward, ward off to the right. Okay, transfer weight to the left. Ward off. Okay, now half step. Hold the ball. Crane spreads its wings. So all the weight should be on the right, then lightly lift your left leg. Crane spreads its wings, circle your arm. Then brush your knee and strike. Okay? Now, the same way with ward off, transfer weight to the right. Okay, hold the ball. Like that. Then step, brush knee, and strike with your left hand. Okay, let's do it one more time. Hold the ball, brush knee, and strike. Okay? Now half step and play the guitar. It's like you're holding a guitar. Okay? Then observe the foot. Alright? Okay, we step back using our toes first and then roll it. The hand strikes. Okay? Okay. Alright. Right foot to the back. Right foot. Okay. Alright. Everybody in position. Okay. Now strike. Okay. Okay, let's do it one more time. Left and straight. Okay, let's start from there. Okay, like if